Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to reset home screen layout on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings, and if you don't find the settings, what you need to do is you have to do like this, just search here for the settings and you have to open it. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Now from here you have to go to reset, and right now there is an option called reset home screen layout. So what you need to do is just go for this and go for reset home screen and just wait. So once it is done, you just need to go back over here, and what happens is if you go back, right now as you can see we have the home screen layout, so we have everything over here, and this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.